Love Beyond Pixels. A senior citizen's journey into online dating. Once upon a time in a quaint little town, nestled beneath the rolling hills, lived Eleanor, a spirited senior citizen. At 75, her golden years were in full bloom, but there was a void in her life that her love for gardening and endless cups of tea couldn't fill. Eleanor had lost her beloved husband, Henry, several years ago. She missed his warm smile, his hand in hers, and the companionship they had shared for decades. Her children and grandchildren lived far away, and the occasional visits weren't enough to chase away the loneliness that had settled like a heavy cloud over her. One sunny afternoon, as Eleanor sat in her cozy living room, flipping through an old photo album filled with memories of her and Henry, a thought occurred to her. Why not give online dating a try? She'd heard her neighbor, Sarah, rave about how she met her current partner on a dating website. Eleanor was skeptical at first. She didn't grow up in the age of technology, and the thought of meeting someone through a computer screen seemed alien to her. But as the days passed, her curiosity grew stronger, and she decided it was worth a try. After all, what was life without a little adventure? Part 1: The First Click. Eleanor's journey into the world of online dating began with a modest laptop and an internet connection that she was only beginning to understand. As she navigated her way through the complexities of creating an online profile, she couldn't help but feel a sense of unease. She questioned if she was too old for this, if it was all a foolish endeavor. However, her resolve was unwavering, and she pressed on. It wasn't long before she received her first message. The sender, John, was a charming gentleman in his late 70s. His profile picture showed a man with a warm smile and eyes that twinkled with kindness. As they chatted back and forth, Eleanor realized that, like her, John had experienced the loss of a spouse and the loneliness that came with it. They found solace in each other's stories, and their connection grew stronger with each passing day. Part 2: The Learning Curve. As the weeks turned into months, Eleanor found herself immersed in a world she had never imagined. She was learning the lingo of online dating, from swiping right to ghosting. She marveled at the diverse group of people she encountered, all searching for something similar to what she desired: companionship. Despite a few awkward video calls and mismatched dates, Eleanor's determination never wavered. She was on a quest to find a love that transcended age, and she was willing to weather the storms of the digital dating world. Part 3: Heartbreak and Resilience. Eleanor's journey had its fair share of heartaches. She encountered individuals who misrepresented themselves and those who simply weren't looking for the same kind of connection she sought. There were nights when she felt disheartened, wondering if she was chasing an illusion. But in the midst of her trials, she found a growing sense of resilience. Eleanor's friends and family were amazed at her tenacity and courage. Her circle of loved ones cheered her on, providing encouragement and wisdom. Through it all, she stayed true to herself, never compromising her values or authenticity. Part 4: Love Blossoms. Amidst the challenges, a beautiful love story began to unfold. Eleanor met Robert, a kind-hearted widower with a love for classical music and the great outdoors. Their first date was a leisurely walk in a park, where they shared stories, laughed at each other's jokes, and marveled at the beauty of nature. It was a date neither of them would ever forget. With each passing day, Eleanor and Robert's connection deepened. They discovered shared interests, supported each other through life's challenges, and provided the companionship they both had longed for. Eleanor's garden bloomed with new life, mirroring her heart's transformation. Part 5: New Beginnings. As Eleanor and Robert's relationship blossomed, they made the decision to take the next step. Eleanor's children and grandchildren were overjoyed to meet the man who had brought a radiant smile back to her face. Their love story was an inspiration to many, a testament to the idea that it's never too late to find love and companionship. Eleanor's adventure in online dating was far from what she had expected. It had been a roller coaster of emotions, filled with uncertainty and moments of self-doubt. But it was also a journey of self-discovery, resilience, and the unyielding spirit of an older woman determined to live life to the fullest. And so, Eleanor's story serves as an inspiration to all those who may doubt the possibilities that lie behind the digital screens and the myriad opportunities that life can offer, regardless of age. Love, she learned, knows no boundaries and has no expiration date. In the end, Eleanor's story reminds us that it's never too late to embark on a new adventure, to seek love and connection, and to find the happiness that lies beyond pixels. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Please hit the like button if you like this video, and hit the subscribe button to learn English through watching these kinds of interesting stories daily. Please click on the screen on any video showing on your screen to watch it next. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video till the end.